Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawade. Today is 13th of September 2022 and the topic for the today's video is acid properties in DBMS. So this is my first or original video in this particular topic. So the DBMS is the management of data that should remain integrated when any changes are done in it. So it is because if the integrity of the data is affected, whole data will get disturbed and corrupted. Therefore, to maintain the integrity of the data, there are four properties described in the database management system, that is DBMS, which are known as the acid properties. So the acid properties are meant for the transaction that goes through a different group of tasks, and there we come to see the role of the acid properties. So in this video, we will learn and understand about the acid properties. The expansion of the term acid defines for atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. So we will see it one by one. So the first is atomicity. So the term atomicity defines that the data remains atomic. So it means if any operation performed on the data, either it should be performed or executed completely or should not be executed at all. So it further means that the operation should not break in between or execute partially. So in the case of executing operations on the transaction, the operation should be completely executed and not partially. Then the second is consistency. So the word consistency means that the value should remain preserved always. So in DBMS, the integrity of the data should be maintained, which means if a change in the database is made, so it should remain preserved always. So in the case of transactions, the integrity of the data is very essential so that the database remain consistent before and after the transaction. So the data should always be correct. Then the next twist, that is third one, is isolation. So the term isolation means separation. In a database management system, isolation is the property of the database where no data should affect the other one and may occur concurrently. So in short, the operation on one database should begin with the operation on the first database gets complete. So it means if two operations are being performed on two different databases, they may not affect the value of one another. So in the case of transaction, when two or more transaction occur simultaneously, the consistency should remain maintained. So any changes that occur in any particular transaction will not be seen by other transaction until the change is not committed in the memory. And the fourth is durability. So the durability ensures the permanency of something. So in DBMS, the term durability ensures that the data after the successful execution of the operation becomes permanent in the database. So the durability of the data should be so perfect that even if the system fails or leads to crash, the database still survives. So however, if gets lost, it becomes the responsibility of the recovery manager for ensuring the durability of the database. So for committing the values, the commit command must be used every time we make changes. Therefore, the acid property of database management system plays a vital role in maintaining the consistency and availability of data in the database. So this is all about the acid properties. Thank you.